Matthew Haviland here with Keller Realty and the prompt team here at a new listing. I'm going to give you kind of a first look sneak peek, and we're going to be starting showings very soon on this property on 28 Roosevelt Avenue in Northfield. And this is a complete rehab, beautiful home. I'm going to show you through, and I've got some inside information because I've seen this home before it was renovated. We'll show you what it looks like now, give you all the ins and outs, and join me here for the tour. We're just a few steps down Shore Road, right a few doors down this way. The bike path a few blocks down the other direction. Great location here in Northfield. Let me flip this camera around. We'll show you the outside of the home here. So this is actually set up now as a 5-bedroom, 2-bath home with a full basement and with a walk-up attic that's finished upstairs. I'll show you that as well. See the garage kind of beyond there in the distance. It's like a 1.5 car garage back there. The deck has been all redone, new railings, vinyl railings. It's a composite flooring here for the deck. Very nice setup, new door. And when you come in right inside here to a living room area, the living room is very nicely set up here. Plenty of space, all new windows in the house too. New windows, newer roof. I love the stairway here. The stairway, they really kept some of that old school charm, sanded and varnished these railings. Really beautiful. Up to the second floor. Over here we have a dining room. Smaller dining room area, and then a bedroom here on the first floor, which I think is always a great idea to have a bedroom on the first floor. You never know when you might have maybe a loved one that needs to be here on the first floor, can't do the steps, or you have a guest, you want to put them down here as a guest bedroom. You could use this as an office area very easily if you wanted to as well. And then we have this door which goes down to the basement, full basement. And here's a look at the kitchen. You can see the beautiful tile floors, very large tiles here. Really beautiful look. New cabinets on this side of the kitchen here. We have an electric stove there, new dishwasher, nice big deep sink, granite countertops. They did leave this cabinetry over here on this side. This was from the original kitchen. This is kind of like a cupboard pantry area. And washer and dryer right here. There's a back deck that goes out the back door there. I'll show you that in a moment. And this is the full bathroom right here on the first floor. Originally this was a half bathroom and laundry area, and they've converted this beautifully, a tile all the way up to the ceiling there. They've converted this beautifully into a full bathroom here. Look at the vanity there. So there's a lot more to see. I'm going to show you upstairs next, and I'll take a look at the basement, show you the basement, and then maybe get a little peek at the backyard too. So we're coming up. I like these steps, are very wide here. You'll notice as you're coming up this front section, the steps nice and wide. So we have 1 bedroom, 1 full bath on the first floor, 4 bedrooms, 1 bath up on the second floor. So we've got 4 bedrooms right off of this center. Kind of a hallway, if you want to call it. All these bedrooms are about the same size, and they're actually pretty nicely sized bedrooms. You have closets in each of the room. We have, again, all about the same size. LED lighting in all the rooms. Linen closet here. You got the other 2 bedrooms here. All of them have those 2 windows. And then here's a look at the bathroom upstairs. Again, all tile, beautiful tile floor, tile all the way up to the ceiling here, the tub area. We've got new toilets, new vanity, even tile all the way up here on this side too. So just full tile all the way around for the bathroom. Very nicely done. And this attic area was unfinished before, and now it is finished. And this is really a nice extra space. If you want to use this as a play area, maybe for the kids, office area, maybe a little family room, rec room area. This is a great space up here. There are electric heaters that are going to get back installed up here, so this will have heat. Currently no air conditioning up here, But you could pop a window unit in there if you wanted air conditioning run up here. So great extra finished space up here. 4 bedrooms on the second level, 1 bedroom, 1 bath on the first level. Let me show you the basement, and then we'll take a peek and show you the backyard as well. All right, let me know what you think of this house so far. And we will have an open house scheduled for May the 30th. May the 30th, 2 p.m., 2 to 4 p.m. If you want to see this in person, come on down to the open house, May 30th, 2 to 4 p.m. Let's go down and show you the basement. So this steps here to the basement are nicely carpeted. We have a side door, which is great. You want to come in from the driveway, you can come right up into the kitchen from here, or down into the basement as well. And the basement has been just nicely cleaned out. There's some built-in shelving over here in the corner. That would stay if the buyer wants the shelving. So plenty of storage down here, even new windows in the basement, which is nice. So all new windows throughout this whole house. You take a look at the water heater. The heating system again is newer as well. So very nicely set up here. And I will show you the backyard garage area next. This is 28 Roosevelt Avenue here in Northfield. Okay, so we have a long driveway here. This driveway goes all the way out to the street. Comes right down here. Still doing a little bit of cleanup here in the yard. This will be cleaned up. This was from a big, large tree that was here. This inside the garage area is totally finished off. Some nice LED lights, sheetrocked. And then you still have a nice yard space here. It goes all the way back to those bushes there. So still a nice yard space in the back. And a brand new deck back here as well. So here's a look at the property. So thanks for watching this quick tour. New listing. Wanted to give you a real quick look at this place. I do think it's probably going to go pretty quickly. A lot of size here and a great location in Northfield. If you want information, you can reach out, contact me, promptagents.com/YouTube is the best way you can get in touch. And then please subscribe if you haven't yet, and watch this video next.